Hi, pre-Ks. It's still Friday and I'm still wearing my birthday crown. Let's get going with the last pages of our book today. On Friday, you might have some pages left that are empty, so I want you practicing that name. This page has a little bit bigger sky to grass. It's a little bit bigger, about the size of my thumb. This one is very tiny, but this is the one you should be working on Fridays so that you can get used to this tiny foundations page. There's the sky, there's the grass, there's the airplane, and there's that worm underneath. I'm going to try to write my name on this tiny little space. I'm going to start my K at the sky, down to the grass real fast, not to the worm. Start at the airplane, kick up and kick down. Now my A is under the airplane with the tail. My T is sky to grass, cross in the middle. My H is sky to grass, airplane and down. And I get to use the Y, down to the worm. Lucky me, I have one of those worm letters. I start with a diagonal down to the grass, and there I go, down to that worm. I'm so lucky. Then I'm going to try my middle name here, Susan with an S, uppercase. U underneath, S under the airplane. Now here's my uppercase S from the sky to the grass. Now I use the lowercase s because it's not at the beginning of the word. I have two S's in Susan, lowercase a, lowercase n. And then if you're tired, don't write your last name or try to do that a little bit later. But see if you can use all those lines by Friday, the end of the week. Our first sheet has some more number practice. Kathy warned you, lots of numbers and letters to practice getting ready for kindergarten. So take your pencil, pinch, pinch, pinch at the point, 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 down towards the bottom. I'm using my marker just so you can see it a little bit more clearly. They give you the number 1, down and over to that X. Then start at the number 2 and down some more, makes the number 4. Start at the number 1, down, go over to the X. Start at the 2 and down some more, makes the number 4. Practice those 4s. Number 5, start at 1. At the 1, he's here, not at the star. Start at the 1. Down with a belly to the X and a hat on its head. Start at the 1, not the 2. Down with a belly and a hat on its head. There's your 5.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
And 6, start at the circle. Down and pick up sticks, makes the number 6. That one's easy breezy. Take your time, put me on pause, and come back when you are ready. Oh, we have some animals. Animals that live in the forest, animals that live in the jungle, animals that live on a farm, and we're going to find out what comes next. Turtle, koala. Turtle, koala. What comes next? Look to see after the koala. Here's a koala. What comes next? The turtle. If you don't remember the pattern by saying it, turtle, koala, turtle, go back and look. What comes after the koala? Find another koala, and there's the turtle. I want you to do these on your own. You're very good at what comes next patterns. Put me on pause and come on back. Now we will start some more numbers, We said the numbers are so much harder than the letters. That's why this month we're going to be concentrating a lot on numbers. Start on the number 1, down with a belly, go to the X, and a hat on its head. There's the number 5. We practiced that before. Put me on pause and then come on back. Down and pick up sticks. That's the number 6. That one's easier. Practice and come back. And number 7, a new one. Start at the 1, go over and down from heaven to that X. Makes the number 7. Work hard on those numbers, pre-Ks. You're going to be seeing them a lot next year in kindergarten. Our next page is counting how many things at the zoo. This is a fun one. First, we're looking for turtles. There's the question mark. How? There's a question. Word, how many? That's the quantity. How many turtles? Question mark. Okay, let's find the turtle. Oh, there's a turtle area. Each animal has its own habitat where they live. Let's count those turtles. Remember, if there's a lot, cross and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no more. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no more, and there's the number 4. Then you're going to count how many monkeys. Find the monkey habitat. That's got a lot of monkeys. How many giraffes? All right, you're on your own. You can do it pre-Ks. When you finish, come on back and see Kathy for our next page. The next page 5 today is family counting. We're going to be counting some families. Ooh, this habitat is in the woods. Ooh, this habitat looks in the jungle. So let's see. Count the babies each animal has. Ooh, just the babies. Write how many. All right, so we're not looking at the mommy. We're looking at how many babies that mommy has. Okay, the first one is baby turtles. Oh, do you see the turtles down there? I'm going to cross out and count because it looks like a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you don't remember how to make that 6, you can go back to the other page, but there's always a number line up there for you as well. So find the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. And make that 6 between the sky and the grass. Remember, all numbers go from the sky to the grass. It's easier to remember where to start. You don't have to worry about any being under the airplane, but you do have to remember where they curve up. This curves up at the airplane line. You're going to count the baby raccoons and the baby kangaroos. Remember, don't count the mommies. Then find the wolves, baby wolves, snakes, and looks like a jaguar. All right, so lots of babies in their habitat, their natural habitat. Take your time, make those numbers between the sky and grass. Put me on pause. Come on back when you're ready. We're back at the zoo now, back at the zoo. Counting those animals. All about Earth Day this week and helping the animals, not taking away their habitats. So here's some animals in the zoo, safe in the zoo for you to look at. Count how many, circle the number. How many penguins? Here's the penguin habitat. Count those penguins. Cross and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's great. Find the 8 up here. If you don't remember what the 8 looks like, sometimes it's hard to remember when we're not practicing all the time. Go to the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matchy, matchy. How many koala bears and how many flamingos in our zoo picture? Lots of fun with animals this week. Count them, circle them. Come on back when you're ready, because we have another animal habitat page, the last one this week. Let's keep those animals safe, not cut down all their trees and take away their land. So we're going to count the hummingbirds here by the flowers where they like to hang out. How many flowers? Circle what there are more of. Oh, we're going to be comparing the hummingbirds with the flowers. Which one has more? Let's do the first one together. How many hummingbirds? All right, let's cross out the hummingbirds. 1, 2, 3. Do you see another one? Oh, it's hiding among the flowers. 4. Find that number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is down and over, down some more. There's our triangle 4. I'll put a triangle 4 here to remind you. Remember, there's 2 different 4s. Sometimes the 2 looks like that also, right? Sometimes they look different on computers in different places. How many flowers? I'm going to circle the flowers so it's different than the crosses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. There's the number 6. Now we have to compare the 2 numbers. When you compare, you're seeing which one is bigger and which one is smaller. They want to know which one has more. So more is a word for a bigger number. So which one is bigger, the 4 or the 6? Would you rather have 4 cookies, or in my case, ice cream because it's my birthday? 4 bowls of ice cream or 6 bowls of ice cream? Well, that's easy, right? I'd rather have 6 bowls of ice cream. So 6 is more. You're going to circle the number that is more. Down here, they ask how many elephants in their habitat, how many bales of hay that they like to eat. Circle which has fewer. Oh, fewer is a word for less. Let's do this one together also. Fewer. How many elephants? We'll cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, find that number 5. Oh, there's a number line down there. How many bales of hay? I'll circle those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. How can that be? Let's count those again. The elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I circled a 5. Did you circle a 5? Oh, how many bales of hay? I can't circle that one. Oh, don't be confused. That was part of the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 bales of hay. Circle what there are fewer. Which number's smaller? 5 or 4? You got it correct. So we can circle that bale of hay at the bottom. Don't be tricked. That was part of the answer. Very nice job, guys. Good job on more, a bigger number, and fewer, a smaller number. And you finished your book for this week. Congratulations. Relax on that weekend. No work to do. I want you to enjoy. Go find another video and stay busy. It's a school day.